art festival is back. So this is the International Craft Festival in Brooklyn.
I think it's something to believe in. I'ma be the reason for it.
Yeah, it smells so good. Yeah, it smells just like it. This is an oil form. Not a lot of people, not a lot of stall, but today's the first day anyhow. And we have tomorrow and Sunday, which normally it's weekend, other people, most people come out. But I'm glad it's back, and we're gonna have performance. I don't know what performance gonna be for today.
Comes up empty and returns. These folks were not here last year, which means that many of them probably suffered a great deal. Just as Festival did, we lost virtually 70% of our income because we were not able to do Festival last year. Let me say that again, 70% of our income. But I tell you what, where we at? We here. Right here. We struggled through, but we are right here this year. And let me tell you, Sharon,
I'm gonna go inside first. Today's not really my day to come and spend much time. I just want to come to one vendor because I don't want her to sell out. Like the year before last when I came, stuff that I was looking for is already sold out because I love her white stuff. I love white. I love the way white. And so I'm coming today just to see her, to see what she have, and then tomorrow I'll come back, spend much longer time. Have any mask, so I'm talking awfully.
is that leaving or coming this way?
So tomorrow I'll come out take more video. So today, not much people. Okay.
Someone like a streaming? I mean, but that's...
So, you know, my favorite stall that I come to every year to buy stuff. And I come this place. It's a lovely hat. So, you know, Martin G. Store always be Ricky Ealing, Burr Culture. Alright, so let's find my favorite store. Where's Debbie? I know sometimes she always be on this side here, or sometimes she's in. So guys, this is some of the stuff you'll be seeing. So today is the first day, so I love these pants. I love white. Let me see. Yes, maybe on the other side. People want to hang out and relax here and eat. And I'm also a fashion show. I'm a performance at the other side. A fashion show. Alright. Oh, my battery don't die. Just looking first. Oh, look at this pyramid, a small pyramid.
Worth $1 a pound.
Hi. I'm good. It's cool. I have one of that. I have the big one. Really, really good. I have the big one.
You have the big one?
Yes, really good.
Yeah, the energy is
The energy is really good, yeah.
Uh-huh.
I'm coming back. I want to get some mud cloth. I'm definitely coming back tomorrow because I need mud cloth. But as I said, I didn't come to shop today. I come to shop just from one person today.
Millions and billions more that made great sacrifices for us. We still will hold their hearts and honor them and bless them.
Where am I seeing her? A lot of witty eating going on around this side. I'm not seeing Debbie's stall. I wonder if she's at the other side. I gotta go inside the middle here. She's the one that I come really to see today. Before she sell out all her nice stuff. Okay. Just a little bit of what's going on. It will be going nicer tomorrow and Sunday. I'm excited. Very nice stuff. I love these. These are nice. These are heavy.
I like the look so much. Okay, so the cover.
I'm going to here and see what I see. Debbie, I'll probably go to the other side.
Now about to do a piece from the Honorable Randy Weston. This legacy unfolds over 100 years ago, and our ancestor left some news will now